towards this is to calculate the height and or distance of an object using trig functions. Okay, so the first example will be finding the, let me draw the picture first. The height of a mountain, and then of this guy's view. And then this is a horizontal line. Okay, this will be the angle of elevation. So this guy we'll say is 2 yards tall or 6 feet. And this plane right here is 700 yards. This will be what we're trying to find. And the degree right here will be 20 degrees. Okay, so to find this, you tan 20 equals y 700. So the tan 20 is right here because we're finding the opposite and then adjacent, so it'll be 10, and the angle of degree is 20, so that's why the 20 is right here. And then the y is the length of the mountain, and 700 yards is the distance between it. Okay, so tan of 20 equals, hold on, I'll do it on the calculator. So tan of 20 equals 0.639 approximately. I mean 0.3639, and which is equal to y over 700. And to isolate y, you need to multiply both sides by 700. So these cross out, and then 700 times 0.3639 is 254.77. Which is y. So this shows that the mountain right here, the length of it is approximately 254.8 yards tall in height. Okay, for the next example, I'll be showing the angle of depression. So let me draw this picture quick. And then it'll be showing an animal right here. I can't draw an animal, so I'm just going to do this. And okay, so the heights aren't needed right here, so let me draw this really quick. And we're just going to say they're the same height. I didn't freehand that well. So I have this device. This guy has something that measures to see how far it is, which is 100 yards. And it needs to find this to find the horizontal angle. This is like hunting, I guess, to see where the gun, because the gun would go straight across, and this is the device of how far away it is. And then right here would be a 6-degree angle. Okay, so this one would be cosine, so it would be cosine 6 equals x over 100. So it's cosine because it's adjacent hypotenuse, so the 100 would be the hypotenuse and adjacent would be x. Cosine 6 comes out to 0.9. Hold on, let me do that on the calculator. Let me erase that really quick. Okay. So cosine 6 comes out to 0.99. Let me check. Okay, it is in degree. Okay. 0.99. Which is equal to x over 100. So, like the other problem, you'll need to isolate x by itself. So multiply both sides by 100. So these two will cancel out, so it'll be x, and then this will come out to 99. So it'll be 99 yards. This distance right here will be 99 yards. So the guy is 99 yards approximately away from the animal. Okay, the horizontal distance. Okay, for the final example, the more advanced one, so there's two groups that measured the mountain at different lengths away. So let me draw this picture, and there's going to be a lot of writing. So let me draw the mountain. So this is the first group, and then this one is more wide. Maybe this one. That's supposed to be a straight line, but I didn't freehand it well again. So this distance right here will be 1,000 feet, and this distance right here will be x. And then the height of the mountain, I'll just do it right here, is h. So these people are at 40 and 30. This group is at 37 degrees and 46 minutes. Okay, so let's solve for x and h. So first we'll do tan 37 degrees and 40. So that equals h over 1,000 plus x. Okay, and then so we're gonna multiply both sides by 1,000 plus x to get the h by itself. So it'll make this 1,000 plus x in a tan of 37 degrees 146. Okay. So for the other part, we'll do tan of 40 degrees and 30 minutes equals hx. Okay, so then to get the x by itself, it'll be like the same as the other one, so multiply both sides by x. And then it'll be x tan 40 30. Okay, so therefore that makes 100x, this area right here, equal to x tan 40 30. Okay, so now solve for x. So 1,000 tan 37 4 6 plus x tan 37 46 equals x tan 40 30. Okay, so then we'll do more right here. 1,000. This will change down to here to tan. 1,000 tan. 1,000 tan 37 4 6 equals x, parentheses, tan 40, 30, minus 10, 37. I'm just gonna go on to below this 46. So I'm running out of room, so I'm gonna go to the next page to continue this. So to get from that problem, it'll be 1,000, 10, 37 degrees, 46, over 10, 40, 30, minus 10, 37 degrees, 46. Okay, and then to calculator this, Mr.
Sorry?
Well, from the, okay, sorry, the calculator was gone.
You want me to get it back? Let me have the cursor.
Okay, so we gotta get the calculator back, so hold on really quick. Okay, thank you for waiting, guys. Okay, so 1,000, 10, 37 point, because this is a minute, so it'll be 46 over 60, which comes out to 0.76. So this will go on the end of that, and then parentheses divided by, so this will all be in parentheses, 10, 40.5, because 30 is half of 60, minus 10 of 37.76 again, and then double parentheses to keep the whole thing in. That'll come out to about 9,740 approximately. Yes. Okay. So now to find the distance of h, we'll have to also use x. So h equals x 10, 40, 30. Okay, so x, which equals 9,740, multiplied by 10, 40, 30, equals h, and then let me get the calculator up. I'll move it over here. Okay, so 9,740 times 10 to 40.5, because 30 will equal about, so that will make h come out to about, let me get that back up, 8,318 approximately. Let me make this approximately. So the height of the mountain is 8,318 feet, and the distance between the first group and the middle of the mountain is 9,740 feet. Okay, so that's about it. So
Yep.
that was my last example. Thank you.